Quarantine got to me. I did a thing.
You did a big thing. My parts came in. I'm gonna start working on my car for once. You guys are gonna see my car for once. It's up in the air. I'm waiting for Colton right now to show up so he can start helping me. First, I want to try to get my struts done. I got struts, I got brakes, I got brake pads all around, engine work, valve cover, spark plugs, cabin air filter, all that good stuff. Let's get to it. Working on my car finally. Shit, it's humid as hell today. Why? The other side was so easy.
That's how it always is.
Whoa! Never mind, I spoke too soon.
You do one side and the other side you just can't do.
Couple more threads. There it is.
There it goes. Old one. New one. Hey.
Look at that, how they changed this. Ready? Look at this. Is so much beefier. Stock.
Oh geez.
Look at that.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah. Literally, I'm probably gonna just finish off the brakes and the rotors. I'm not even gonna do the freaking valve cover today.
Yeah.
I want to see how this thing runs.
Yeah, exactly.
No gloves, straight on the finger. Anti-seize. And you won't run into the problem that we just did.
We only play good music here. I'm not even sure if you can hear it, but I mean, it's good music.
Dude, I can't believe that video that you posted on Instagram took off.
Oh yeah. Bro, my edits are getting better.
Everything's getting better.
Looks like
That's
it's been
a
pretty
3/8.
used.
This is a half.
Looks like it's been pretty used. If you know what I mean.
Oh, dude.
Is it coming through up here?
Yeah. I'm psyched.
It's in. I don't know if you can see it. It's right in here. Oh, you can kind of see it. Make sure you put in the top piece the right way this time.
Yeah, it's on the right way this time.
Alright, cool. Boing, boing, boing. Chased by the cops like a motherfucking outlaw. Reppin' Worcester.
Snap-on, sponsor us, please.
I'd love some snap-on tools. Not that I don't have enough tools, but like you can never have it. You can never have enough tools. All right, so that's the rear done. All right, so what's next?
Rear brakes.
I bet.
This has no wrap on it.
Yeah, where's the wrap?
I don't know. Should I just take out the whole caliper? No, I might have to anyways, huh?
Yeah, might as well just take off the caliper, release, because you mean you're changing the brakes anyways.
Yeah.
Caliper bolt's a little hard on there.
Silver one on an impact. Find out, it's husky.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I can't get the top one. Nope, I can't fit this in here.
Oop.
Damn it, you suck.
Gotta hit the gym more then. We resorted to bigger muscle. There you go. Nice. Already hit the car.
Ah! God damn it. Why do you always gotta do this to me? Alright.
Well, there goes that idea. We innovate here. We try different things, you know. If one thing doesn't work, you break it and try something else. Right, because the bolt's going this way. Right?
Oh yeah. It's going this way.
Yeah, it's going that way. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
There it is.
Is it brake or strip?
Don't say that. Don't you ever say that.
I had a 12 valve VR6 for one of my Jettas. I was replacing the timing chain. I was putting the timing chain cover back on, and I was tightening, slip, and it got loose. And then I went to the next one, tightening, slip, got loose. And I was like, oh no. I think there was 12 bolts, and I broke 4 of them. So I had to drill them out of my block. That sucked. Yeah, don't do that. Or just don't buy Volkswagen. That's the thing too. Buying German is fine. It's just buying a Volkswagen that's usually not fine. I mean, the one that I have now, the black one. It's decent. It's decent.
It's off. It broke loose. Oh, I'm gonna be pissed.
Guarantee it's the one that's missing. Is that the right one? Is it size up?
Yup.
Then that's the one that's missing?
Pretty sure. Like, feel that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's way too much point. Yeah, it's gonna be the one that's missing.
Always is.
Yep.
Alright, feel that. Like, I always like a second opinion.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's in. That's in. There you go. Time to pull it off.
Alright.
See if it actually comes off.
Just so you know, I'm changing pretty much everything. So if you see me fucking something up, don't worry about it. I'm replacing it. Maintain your car. Because your calipers should come off pretty easy and not like this. These motherfuckers are seized on there.
See, what I do with my Volkswagen is I just take a hammer no matter what. And it eventually comes off. Is there still compression on the brake pads? There you go.
Ah! Ah! Oh, asbestos. Don't breathe that in. ECS knew that I was gonna buy more parts from them.
Oh yeah.
And like after at first I bought my front rotors, and then like a couple days later I bought the rest of my shit. They didn't send my front rotors until they sent my other package at the same time.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
Yeah, they do that.
what?
Tears you never show. See, I'm good. Ozzy Osbourne can eat bats and be fine.
Right? Why
One
can't
dude in China eats bats and he's done for. The world's done for. It's crazy. I did the PSA by Colton. Don't be dumb. Quarantine got to me. I did a thing.
He did a big thing.
I did a big thing. I did it myself in my mirror.
Hot performance.
Are they let me see. Are they anti-dust?
I think these ones are.
Oh, low dust. Ferrocarbon. I don't even know what that is, but it's ferrocarbon. Ooh, a sticker.
Ooh, sticker.
Dude, the sticker's the best part, dude.
Hot performance.
You gotta put that inside of your hood. That's where all mine are going. Let's focus on your dumb face.
I'm dumb, you dumb.
See that?
I mean, they're still good, but...
They're still good, but...
What? What? What?
Yeah,
Oh my god. No wonder my rotors are freaking gone.
Right? Or warped.
Before, well, you put in your new brake pads, but a little before there, you gotta set your piston back, and we don't have one of those tools exactly. Take your old brake pad.
Oh, it just fell into the toolbox.
Ooh. Put it right there on your piston. Take your vise, your square ones, and do I have to set them out a little more? Gotta get the right. Squeeze, and then squeeze.
You know what I'm gonna miss most about this whole coronavirus shutting everything down?
What?
Subi meat.
The Subi meat?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we missed it this year.
Songs like this, it's all you hear. Throw up a little clip right here, and then that's go back and watch last year's. I think it was last year?
Yeah,
was it last year or 2 years ago?
It was 19, I think.
Was it 19?
Yeah, I think my shirt says 19.
Okay, so it was last year's Subaru meet, which is the biggest Subaru meet in, I think it was the country?
I think it is, because they say world's biggest Subi meet.
Okay, so it must be the world. But no, it's a massive meet. It's down at Stafford Speedway in Connecticut, which I work there during the summers when it's not coroned. Alright, here you go. Caliper's going back on. Alright, so how we doing this side?
We did good.
Okay, let's all back together. Sick. Here we go.
Yeah, so
Bingo bango bongo.
we're almost done. It's up to the fronts now.
Alright, we're going up to the fronts now. Got the back left on too. Hey!
Yeah, boy. So I got all 3 brakes and rotors done. On the last one, bracket holding the rotor with the knuckle. The top bolt was stripped. I think that's it for today.
Yeah.
Gonna wrap it up, and tomorrow, well, let's see what happens tomorrow.
Yeah. Go at it with a fresh mind. You get it first time. That's the way it usually works. But let's see if it actually works this time.
I hope you guys enjoyed Colin's car and Danny's bike. Sure, we had a lot of fun filming it.
Oh yeah, we had a lot of fun filming it. And plenty more coming soon.
Yeah, I'm sure once we're done with my car, you guys are gonna see that. I haven't done anything with my car because let's leave it at that. All right, guys, well, enjoy. Peace.